In a layman's way, explain the difference between a database and a table. The first thing is to understand the meaning of database and table in a layman's way. You can see a lot of definition out there. You can Google, no problem. But in a layman's way, what is the difference between a table and a database? If this is a company and they want to have information about their employee stored in a particular place, let's just use 2 employees as instance. Assume this Tony Brown and this guy is Andrew Tim. This is their name. Let's call this one full name. Let's just say the next one is phone number 0804 whatever. Okay, assume this is their numbers. This is what? Data. If you want to use SQL to keep this information, you have to input them into a table. That has what? Columns and rows. But this table needs to live in a place. And the house it stays, that is a layman's way. The house the table will stay is called what? The database. What it means is that you agree with me, not one person that lives in a house. We have many people that can live in a house. So in this house, call company database. We can have information about employee. We can have information about the customers in another table. Information about sales. See, we can have many information stored in the form of this table, which will what? Keep here. Okay? That is the difference. This is the first place you put your data, direct contact with, but the table lives or stays in a database. So it's like you now, your name is James. Okay? You live in the house. You are the table. Your house is the database. And you agree with me that there are many people that lives in your house. Okay? The same thing with what? With table and what? And database. I would say that the next thing we are going to do now is to know or understand how to create a database. That is the next thing we are going to look at now, how to create a database. Why do we need to do that? Because you need to build a house first. Before what? You live in the house. So we need to have a database ready before we can now what? Put tables that will live in the database. That's what we are going to do next.